I need to find a map here. That doesn't sound good.
Come on, let me see if I can find it.
Hey, dude, I owe you one.
So I can get out. Max.
You just need to go straight. Just go straight up.
Whoa. Max, иди сюда.
Hey, there's a little girl here.
What happened? What's earmuffs? It's his back. Back there is pushing him off. That's a problem.
Daddy!
I think you need to get over.
I think you'd go. I'd go that way more. That's what I was worried about.
All right, you're spotting it. See, your back here is climbing this. It's going to lift you way up.
What about going far right?
Because you can see down there. So if he backs up, if you want to be higher over here, that's fine. But I can't see what's going on over there.
It's fine in the back. So.
No, the back is pushing him up.
I don't want him to see. This is going
right here. Right here is where his right wheel should go. All right.
Yeah.
Well, let me ask you a question. If he's going to be more to the driver's side and he is going to turn to the passenger once he passes the rack, then he is not going to be climbing the high on a rear driver.
Now, I'm this way.
Max, иди сюда. Иди сюда, please, иди сюда.
Oh, I thought you wanted to go forward. You wanted to, let's try to...
Max, не спускайся.
I thought we were going to rerun him at it.
Okay, you want to rerun? All right. Let's go straight back.
Turn that way a little bit. Driver. We're going to want to climb the truck now.
Max.
Whoa, no.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. It's easy. Okay. Passenger. Okay. Back. You're good. Straight back.
Guys, somebody tell the FJ and the porter to move to the left, or we need to clear the road.
We wanted to come straight up, right?
Well, for more balance, if he puts his driver tire like right over this and comes more this way, it might be better. I don't know.
I'm just worried about sliding off, you know?
Puppies!
Or just come up
I
this
don't know,
way.
what did you do last time?
I remember, I think we just came up right. I think I straddled this didn't we straddle this last time?
I had a hell of a time getting up this last time, and I don't remember. I think I came way up over here.
I'm thinking you ought to go more than that. I think we should just go up that.
Oh, wow, Dad. That looks way
I just didn't like how you just were...
Dude, I almost hit my pants on that one.
Okay, do you want to just take this line?
You come up, put the tire...
Can you drive up right here? So that way you're going to be
Driver's
more
tire.
balanced?
Yeah, but he won't be able to climb this the rock. It's just way too high.
Right? Right. What are you trying to do here? I'm trying to get up the hill.
Right, why not
Daddy.
just go far right?
Yeah, that's what...
You don't think he might slide off?
Well, far left. Far left doesn't work.
No, you're in the middle, you're not far left. I would put my passenger wheel here and the driver up here, or I would just go all the way up there.
I almost feel better on that side. I've got rock to grip on. Over here, I got dirt.
Yeah, okay. Well, then
you're gonna be off. You're gonna be off camera. Well, look at this. You saw how much I was off camber already.
I think last time we went far right.
Max,
But if you keep
Did we?
Max.
I think so.
Lisa.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, you wanna try?
Lisa.
I'm ready for some input here. You usually have some good advice.
I don't see why we wouldn't go right.
I don't
Okay.
Alex, go first.
That's what I
I mean, this right looks piece of cake. It's nice and level.
Okay.
Right here. I mean, you're gonna get barely tippy there. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, as long as you keep your.
So you don't think he can slide off?
I think maybe that's what I
took a
did. And
fun
I got
line.
the shit scared out of me because I was close to that edge. And put the right wheel like right here.
Just trust the spotter. Ignore the trail. Trust the spotter. Yeah, I have only one spotter.
Yeah, I'm good at listening to one person.
Yeah.
I'm married. I learned.
No, I think I remember.
I don't think it was that bad last time.
Okay, it's gonna take us
You're gonna need to scoot up a little.
Max, stop.
to make everyone get up here. It's gonna take us a half hour.
So who's spotting?
I'm gonna spot him.
Okay.
I'm getting out of the way then.
Yeah.
Because my instinct will be, wait, I have an opinion too.
Wait, everyone, jump for it.
Max, Lisa. Max, сюда. Max, Lisa. Sweet. Max, Lisa. Max, Lisa. Lisa.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Let's see.
Well, this is working very good.
This is Sтой, Max. Stop. Oh, hold on. I think on top you have to go to the right. Bypass is to the
I'm
left.
gonna stop right there. I'm gonna take a look.
Okay. That's the one, the hard spot. Max.
Where Dave was, right?
Yeah, that's the where the day fell off.
Oh yeah, I remember.
So you're gonna try it? Where are you going?
I didn't have a good luck the first time I took it either, so.
I think we went right last time. You didn't come up this way?
Yeah, I came up, but I don't.
This way?
No, hell no. For the same reason you did. Fuck that.
Fuck, I don't want to break my fucking truck on the first.
Dude, I thought I was about to flip that damn truck too.
Again?
I was like, ah! That's several times today I've felt that. Did you see the ruts up ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah, it gets a little interesting there.
Find them on the left. No, hang right.
It's high right.
Right.
Right's what I think I'm gonna aim for.
High right.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
Spot. Good.
Perfect, dude. Oh, just like Dave. Yeah, you're hanging up right on the driver's side here.
Should I try it to go driver's side?
I think you're still gonna hang there.
I'd say passenger. Nah. Okay. Doing good.
Got dirt bikes coming down.
Oh shit.
Well, they're gonna have to wait.
Looking good. Start turning passenger. Passenger. Slow.
So he's not doing this?
He's hung up right there.
No, he got hung up.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, I'm probably gonna make it. You wanna videotape this?
Yeah. I'm trying though.
Okay. You wanna tape me?
Yes, sir.
Since I don't really...
After watching him try and do this last time, I'm like, nah.
Well, I wasn't here to watch what he was hung up on because I was down at the bottom still. I had to wait till Seth finally got him through.
I just saw him hung up and not be able to make it to see the roof, the whole roof.
And one wheel up in the air.
And I just,
Oh, Jamari, he put one wheel way up trying to get
we're
around
sitting down there, I'm thinking, there is another way around, right?
I think he'll clear it though. He shouldn't have any problem. Good job.
If you think I can see anything, I saw just like one finger.
I was pointing you that way.
So what did I get hung up on? Just the bottom?
Right there.
Right there. You can see the scratch.
Just my undercarriage.
Another inch or two.
Clearance, yeah, I need a lift.
Need it.
I know, bummer.
Yeah, you need the lift.
Yeah. I needed a lift. I need about a 2-inch lift. That's me.
Oh yeah, we were hitting right the center, huh?
The stereo got me down, just can't see anything.
Yeah.
There you go. Turn right. Nice job, John.
I needed that.